Hi, Rogers Middle School. This is your Expectations Assembly for Fall of 2020, Part 1. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our administrative team, including Ms. Toussaint, our school counselor, myself, the principal, and Ms. Wen, our assistant principal. Today, during this video, you'll learn a little bit more about our guidelines for success, our student expectations, how we reward students at Rogers, and why relationships are important. So what are our guidelines for success? The first one is to be ready. We want you to be ready to learn and do your best each and every day. This means be prepared for class, getting some good sleep, and eating healthy meals. Second, we want you to be responsible for your words and actions each and every day. And third, be respectful. We want you to be respectful everywhere, all the time, even when no one is watching. Additionally, for our virtual learning, we also want to have these additional expectations or some clarification for these expectations. So for ready, responsible, and respectful, you can see we want you to be on time, find a quiet place to do your work, and come prepared. For responsible, we'd like you to mute your microphone when you're not speaking, raise your hand to participate, and use the chat feature when it's available. And finally, to be respectful, please be sure to use your name when logging into Zoom, demonstrate Mustang pride and with integrity, respect yourself, others, and our community at all times. We like to reward students quite frequently here at Rogers as well, beginning with our Students of the Quarter or our Outstanding Mustangs. This award is from our grade level teachers nominating students and voting each quarter. 4 students in every grade level are rewarded for academic or citizenship excellence. We also do Students of the Month. In this award, teachers nominate and reward students in their individual classes. They're also rewarded for academic or citizenship excellence, but doesn't require a vote of the team. And civility tickets. This is an opportunity drawing in which we recognize students each and every day for being ready, responsible, and respectful. We enter slips into a box or in a virtual box. We pull out a number of these each week and recognize these students and provide them with rewards. We'll be getting more information to you about this. But we also want you to think about what is important in your life. We believe at Rogers that people and relationships are the most important things, or at least one of the most important things. Maya Angelou said, "People will forget what you said, and people will forget what you did, but people will never forget the way you made them feel. And you only have one chance to make a first impression." So, remember that perception is important. What you do and how you act give other people impressions about you. How you're perceived makes a difference. We support you in making a positive impression. But when in doubt, consider, are you being ready, responsible, and respectful? If you don't think you are, reconsider your choices or decisions and make a change. Make a change for the better. We are all here to support you. Please watch the following video with all of our staff. Thank you for watching. See you soon.
On the way I was crowned a king, felt the wind underneath my wings. I've been high and I've been low, played the fool and the star of the show. Gone along for a wild ride, and I can say, looking in your eyes, that it all would have been a waste, but I found you on the way. I found cynicism, I found criticism, I've been the zero to hero, and I have been the villain. I lost more than a heart can take, but I found you on the way. I found you, I found you, I found you, I found you. It all would have been a waste, but I found you on the way. On the way I was given the keys to the city they were mine to keep. Over time every lock will change, but you love me all the same. I found pessimism, I found skepticism, I've been the corner performer and sung in front of millions. I lost more than a heart can take, but I found you on the way. I found you, I found you, I found you, I found you. It all would have been a waste, but I found you on the way. Whoa. if the one thing that I can say